Hey guys, I'm Anthony.
I'm Deegan.
That's right. What are we gonna do right now?
We're going to go and shoot some bad guys.
Oh yeah, man. Shooting some bad guys in the flooded mine. The unlucky silver mine. Yeah, this is the shootout in the flooded mine. I used to jump in this jail cell right here, buddy. I would hide, and then I would jump out and scare old ladies. It was funny. Let's do this. Here we go, man. Oh my gosh, these lines are insane. Or lack thereof. There are 2 people in line. What's back there?
Clear.
Were you scared? It's okay. Uh-oh. You got boogers?
No.
Okay. I found a bad guy right here.
I'm not a bad guy.
You sure?
Yeah. The guy in jail, bad guy.
Oh, okay.
Stop it.
Okay, man.
I'm supposed to do in Shootout City.
Oh, you're not? Oh, I'm sorry.
Shoot bad guys.
Oh, okay.
Clear.
We will.
Please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, guns, and show the boat at all times. Please do not stand up. Please do not switch seats, and please do not rock the boats. Enjoy your ride on the flooded mine.
Whoa.
Bingo numbers.
All right, starting from 0. If you get every target in a room, you get 100,000 bonus points. My record's like 300 and some thousand, but that was back in the day. I can't do it anymore. Doing all right up there? Yeah. Get ready for it. Get him, buddy.
No sleeping on the job. Come on, boys, work. Come on, boys. This ain't no important job. Remember, work ain't no job. You'll sweat a little blood and you might get
I can't hit anything. Try to get them all. Yeah, buddy. Good job, monkey. Oh, you're not shooting any?
I'm shooting the bad guy.
Oh, okay. Well, you got 1,000 points already. So you've gotten 10 targets. They're hard to hit at an angle. Oh, that's impossible. Dang it, mine's not registering. Oh, I got 8,800. That's cool. Whoops, I didn't see that one up there. Dang it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I know it. Oh, I got the 100K. 101.
I got this much.
Nice job, buddy. I got 101,000. Boom, boom, boom.
Stop shooting me. Shoot the target.
You are a target. Boom.
No, I'm not. I'm not a target. Stop it. Oh no. Stop it.
Hey, don't shoot.
Stop it. Shoot me.
Okay. Truce.
Look at the guys in the boat. Shut up.
Oh, that pirate ship. All right, we're done. All right, guys, so there was no line, so we went through again. Broke my record. I got 500,200. What'd you get, Monkey? 1,000? Nice. Good job, buddy. Yeah. Hey, did you have fun, buddy? Hey, sit down. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good, buddy. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us.
Pow, pow.